Tired of IOS and ATM runs? Let's ditch the cash and show you how to use Zelle directly from your Chase Bank desktop account to make paying friends and family a breeze. First, head over to Chase.com on your desktop browser and log into your Chase online banking account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, look for the Pay and Transfer tab, usually located towards the top of the page, and click on it. This will take you to the Payments and Transfer section. In the Pay and Transfer menu, you'll find Zelle. Select Zelle to access the Zelle platform within Chase. If this is your first time using Zelle through Chase, you'll need to enroll. This involves entering your U.S. mobile number or email address, accepting the terms and conditions, and verifying your information. Awesome! You're in! Now you'll see the Zelle home screen here. You have the option to send money, request money, or manage your contacts. To send money, click the Send button. In the Send screen, enter the recipient's email address or U.S. mobile number, then enter the amount you want to send and add a note if you like. Double-check the details and hit Send. You'll be prompted to confirm the transaction details one last time before the money is sent. Review everything carefully and confirm. To manage your contacts for faster future payments, click on the Contacts tab here. You can add new contacts or edit existing ones. And that's it. Now you can easily send, receive, and manage your Zelle payments directly from your Chase Bank desktop account, making life a little easier, one transaction at a time.